And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a cut logo in Adobe Illustrator. It's a popular effect used in many logo designs and it is easy to do. Let us first make sure on the view that we've got the smart guides and snap to point. And we will use the basic type tool, the black fill color. Just type in some random text. I use all caps gate and I align it to the center. As a font I use Mimic Variable Concept, the black style. Make sure to use a bold font or a bold style and it should work. Let me change the fill color, maybe to this orange, then right click, create outlines, right click, ungroup. You can see all of the letters are now ungrouped. Then I use the rectangle tool, I'll make it red and I want to position a rectangle right here, so that I can get rid of the left half of the A letter. I resize it and now let me zoom in. Then I press Ctrl Y to have the outline mode viewed, so the center position is not the best, as I've got this anchor point right up there. You can see it over here. Let me show you how you can hit that point correctly. At first, let me size it to the left a little bit down. Then I press V for the selection tool and then I hold Ctrl. Now I can drag the path and put it directly on top of the anchor point. Now I have to resize it again a little bit downwards to the left, and then I press Ctrl Y and I show you it is positioned perfectly on top of the anchor point. So always use that method with holding Ctrl, and if you've got snap to point activated, it snaps. Select the A letter and a rectangle, use the shape builder tool, hold Alt and get rid of the red. Now we want to reposition the right hand side and I use another rectangle for that to have the same distance. Press V for the selection tool and I position it down there to the K letter. Now I'll select the letters on the right, I'll hold Shift and drag them to the left until the smart guides indicate that I fit the right position. Let me zoom out and I think that looks good. So it's an easy effect that you can use when you've got a company with a big name. Let me group it all again under Object Group, and this is our cut logo done in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.